Hey, hi guys, my name is Ritesh and I'm a product designer. In this video, we are going to talk about MCP Server, how you can connect Figma with Claude and whatever design you have created in the Claude, you can push back your design into Figma. So let's jump on this video, I'll show you how. Let's connect Claude with your Figma. Let's open the Claude first and go to setting page and click on connectors, and there you will get browse connectors. Hit that button and search for Figma and click on plus icon, asking for permission. Are you want to give permission to Claude or not? So we want to give the permission, agree and allow the access, so Claude can see our designs, everything. And if we want to build anything from the Figma to Claude, and we need to give the another permission called we have to enable the desktop MCP server. How you can access? Just open the Figma, go into dev mode, and there we have MCP. Just you have to enable the MCP server. Once you are done, so basically whatever design you have built, so just you need to make a copy and that you have to paste in the Claude. So Claude will generate this whole designs for you. This is all about MCP server, how you can connect MCP server. Let's jump on the another things, how you can push back your Claude design to Figma. So I already have the design that is live. I build using Claude. So this is the project I have, my website. So just I will go and I see this is website Claude help me to create. So let's see how you can push this design to Figma. Go to Claude code, we have to give the prompt push this designs to Figma, and you have to give the link exactly where you want these designs. So click that share button, copy, and by the way, whenever you want your design from Claude to Figma, your file should be always allow to all the people. There is no password, allow for everyone. Now you have to go in the Claude and give this link, and let's see the magic. So we have to wait. Let's see where design will come. Let's inspect Figma file. Okay, this is asking allow Claude use Figma. We have to give the allow. We have to allow it. So done it. Let's see. Oh, we are getting the designs. So still he is generating. See, design is coming. So one by one section is coming. So I got my whole the project. Let's see what I will get next. It's already 3 minutes 40 seconds. So allow could use get screenshots. Yes. Okay, grateful. Nice. So we get the designs. Let's comparison. So what exactly what this Claude is built, and what I got in the Figma. Let 80% design is matching what is Claude have built, but is not 100% whatever they have built, they push it into Figma. So that is not 100%. So but still there is a lot of things we need to fix by on, but yeah, Claude does a really good job. See, yeah, that's all of this video. So let's see you in next video. Hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you have any feedback or questions, so please comment below and we'll help you out. Take care.